Hi, this is Lori with an unboxing of LOL Surprise Present Surprise. These are pretty new out on the market, and they are actually 12, they have 12 months of the year with these particular dolls. So let's get started. I have 3 to unbox today. First, let's look at the box. We have a paper box as opposed to the plastic balls that we used to that the old LOL surprises were boxed in. We have 8 surprises in this particular box, and each month of the year has a special doll to it. And I thought this was awfully cute. It says Happy Days, but on the back here it actually has a to and a from. So if you want to give this to someone for a birthday gift, that would be totally awesome. On the top here, they actually have a little plastic here that you can, it's a little perforated area in which you could just pop it off. It's so very easy. It's probably for shipping, so the lid won't come off, because as you can see, they easily pop off. So let's see what we have in our box. Ooh. First, we have a little hat here, a little party hat that you can kind of fasten together here. If it pops open, you can use a little tape on the inside to keep it closed. Right. But it's a cute little party hat. And then we have a party bag on the inside. That's so awesomely cute. She can probably carry some of her prizes or her LOL gifts that's included in this package in there. And then our box is empty. So I guess one thing that's different about this box that I'm not agreeing with is the fact that sometimes if you want to display your doll, you don't have the stand that you can put them on to display them. So let's see what we have here. Oh, so as you are probably quite aware of, LOL has been trying to do better with their recyclable materials. These are all paper bags. Okay, so we don't have the plastic bags anymore, but the paper ones. We have a clue here that says group photo. Still has its clue. And we have an instruction sheet. It tells you how to put your doll together. Oh, look, it does says to add a piece of tape there to keep it from coming open, which is awesome. And then we have a checklist here. So let's look and see what who we have on our checklist. Don't they look awesome? I'm telling you, I want all of them. I want all of them. So on this side, you can actually see they have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So there's 12 to collect in this series here. So let's see who we have in our package. The bags are really cute. Looks like presents. And the gifts in here are very small. Okay, look. There's a puzzle. It's a half of a heart. It looks like a charm. It's not even a puzzle piece. It's a piece of a heart. It looks like a pizza pie heart. In our next blind bag, we have the outfit. Oh, look at that. It's pretty and pearly. See-through. It's like a Gumby type dress. That is so cute. Super, super adorable. Next is our bottle. Looks like grape soda pop. Looks like a soda can. Grape soda. Next we have our shoes, which are extremely adorable. You see those? It has a purple pom-pom on it and two different color purples. This looks like it has a little defect on it, like a little paint came off on it, but they're still adorable. Next we have a beret, little fuzzy hat. It is so adorable. It's kind of a different color, purple, but it's still in the family. Last but not least, we have our doll. Sweet Sapphire. Look at her. Look at the hair. It looks like it has like purple grapes or something in there. And I don't know if you can see really clearly, but it has like the top part here is real sparkly and glittery. It's a different shade of blue than the rest of the hair. And the underneath and around the edges of her hair is the same. But she is totally adorable. Comes with a purplish bathing suit on. So it says I'm not going to be dipping in water, but it says that she cries. She's a crier. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna open our second one. Pop that little plastic off there and take off the lid. Here we have our gift bag and another party hat, which is a different color from the last one. And we'll take our doll out. Let's see what our message is. It says Queen for a Day. Queen for a Day. Alright, our first blind bag is, oh look, it's a cake wedge. How awesomely. It is also like the charm, like a Sweet Sapphire got on her little pizza charm. That's very cute. They're having a lot of different accessories to these new dolls that's coming out. Oh, look at this. There is a skirt that has green glitter towards the top, a peach brim around the top, and like aqua blue towards the bottom. And here for the top, it has like a seashell green, mint green for the top. How adorable is that? Ooh, I wonder who we have. Oh, glass frames. Glasses frames. like a peachy color that matched the top part of her skirt. And then we have the bottle here, like a peach color bottle with a mint green top and a mint green glitter type band that goes around the center. And then we have the shoes. Oh, look at those white soles with a peekaboo toe and a bow, a peach bow at the top. And the shoe itself is a mint green. How adorable. And last but not least, we have our doll, who is Aqua. Look at her. Look at the color of the hair. How adorable is she? Super, super adorable. She has fishnet stockings on. It looks like it has scales on it. And her bottom, she has a like a, I want to say goldish color bottom, or rose gold color bottom. She is so very adorable. She is a color change, and she is a fabulous. So let's get her dressed and we'll be right back. And we have our last one, which I've already taken the plastic off of it. And we have a different color party hat. And we have our shopping bag. And let's take our stuff out of the box. We have our message, which says party time, which is a different message. Awesome. Let's open our first blind bag, which is our shoes. We have white tops and red bottom on our shoes. Totally adorable. Next blind bag, we have her outfit. Red, white, and blue with stars on the top. And white bows around the skirt. The skirt is a glittery red and with a blue trim on the bottom. Oh, she is going to be too cute. Next blind bag is star glasses. Star glasses. Our next blind bag is the bottle. It's kind of an aqua green at the bottom and a red glittery top. Shiny sparkly top like her skirt. And the last blind bag, well, next to the last blind bag, look at this. It's a camera. I tell you, these little accessories are too adorable. Look, it has her taking pictures of her friends. How adorable. Her and her friend. Lastly is our doll, who we have Jubilee. Jubilee is July. Look at her. Jubilee is so cute. Look at her hair. Red, white, and blue. She has a little bodysuit on. A two-piece suit on. It's actually not a bodysuit. It's a two-piece top and bottom. And then she has white socks on with red, white, and blue, red and blue top. She is a color change, and she is a rare. Let's get her dressed and we will be back. Okay, here you have it. All of our girls are dressed. We have Jubilee, who is July, in her awesome camera. We have Aqua, who is March, and she has her cake slice on her hand. So adorable. And then we have Sweet Sapphire, who is September. I didn't get a chance to tell you guys that, but she is September. Which one are your favorites? I'm going to pick Aqua. I love her color combination, and cake is my favorite. So which one do you guys like? Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks for coming by. And please subscribe, like, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.